Welcome to GrowSmart, the only interactive online platform designed specifically for growing businesses. It will help you prepare effective business strategies, teach you how to market more effectively, win more bids, increase your sales and profitability, prepare for growth finance, improve your leadership, and much more. GrowSmart has been developed by successful business entrepreneurs who have been through the challenges you face in scaling up and know what works. After sign up, you'll complete your profile to join our community. The first page you'll see after that is your dashboard. It shows your progress through GrowSmart with a quick link to the last page you accessed, making it easy to return to where you left off. GrowSmart's tools are designed to take you through every aspect of building a business, starting with creating your growth strategy. You can then work on its key components, your marketing plan and your finance plan. If you're not quite sure where to start or where you need to improve your knowledge, then try our business diagnostic tool. This interactive quiz will help you to understand and prioritise the learning areas that you need to address through a series of straightforward questions. Once you have saved your answers, GrowSmart will automatically create your personalised recommended reading list, which you can then find in your profile section and on your dashboard page. GrowSmart guides you through a series of essential learning modules. The content is bite-sized and flexible, so you can work on your business at any time. Each module is packed with helpful resources and examples to challenge and guide your thinking, as well as exercises that encourage you to apply your learning to your own business. As you complete each exercise, your work is saved securely, along with your underlying business plan, which is populated with the details you enter as you progress through the modules. GrowSmart also includes built-in calculators, which make your financial calculations for you without involving spreadsheets. Just enter your numbers in the correct boxes and GrowSmart does the rest for you. This information is also added to your business plan documents. You can review your progress through GrowSmart at any time in your profile area, which also gives you quick access to your account details, documents and resources. When you have completed all the exercises, you can download your finished business plan as a PDF document, along with other plans that target your growth, marketing and finance strategies. You only need to enter the information once, and GrowSmart will populate all of these documents with the relevant data, giving you everything you need to scale your business. If you want to learn more detail about a specific topic, GrowSmart has a resource library full of in-depth practical articles on key growth areas, including management, marketing and sales, finance, HR and procurement. We're constantly adding to this significant learning resource. You use credits to access a resource. Each download requires between 1 and 3 credits, depending on the document's size. You can see how many credits you have left at the top of your screen. Your purchase history shows details of credits you have earned by completing modules and credits you have spent on resources. You can also upgrade your membership plan if you want to take full advantage of GrowSmart's tools and community features. You can share your ideas and challenges with your business peers in the GrowSmart community. Through direct messaging, you can communicate with one person or several people, and their contributions will appear as threaded conversations, so you can see who has responded and where the discussion is going. If your peers don't know the answer to your question, you can also use our interactive Ask the Expert function. This gives you access to an ever-expanding knowledge base designed to help tackle your most in-depth inquiries. There's also the option to pose your question directly to our panel of experts, and the knowledge base will share their responses with the rest of the GrowSmart community. We hope that you find this video useful. If you would like any more information, please go ahead and check the FAQ answers to the most popular questions. Good luck with your GrowSmart scale-up journey.